Hey, today we're talking about tax time and what to do with those extra dollars. Don't worry, I'm not going to talk about selling you a car, but we're going to talk about using those dollars in the right way, and we're starting right now. Okay, before we get started, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified every time we make a new video or go live. Okay, first things first, if you are waiting on your tax return to buy a car, we are the right company to call, and yes, I will put that information on how to get in touch with us in the comments box below. But today, this is not a sales video on how to just sell your car and use it for tax dollars. I have 3 tips on what you should do with those tax dollars to help build your financial future, and then we can get to the cars later. All right, number 1 is credit card debt. Credit card debt. So if you have credit cards, you know what I'm talking about. It ends up building up over time, and you have to find ways to pay that off efficiently and in a manner that helps you remove paying off that credit card debt and start using that extra money to invest in your own future instead of just building up the credit card company. Okay, so here's your example. Let's say you owe $5,000 in your credit card and you're waiting on your $5,000 tax return to use that money as a down payment on a car. Do yourself a favor and pay off the credit card. The credit card debt is amounting at an interest rate of probably at least 12%, more than likely 15 or 20%. Car loans today are in the 4s, so they're going to cost you much less money over 5 years than paying on a credit card. All right, the second thing I'm going to talk about is home renovations. I'm not talking about appliances and TVs. Those things do not add value to your home. So just because you want a 65-inch TV does not mean that is going to come back to you in a return once you invest that money. Everybody knows when you put money into an appliance or into TVs, that money disappears. You get the TV, you get the refrigerator, but it never brings you money back. All you get is cold food and stuff to watch. So let's not spend it on that. Let's spend it on major things like home renovations, basement finish, kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel. Those types of things will always bring you money back when you're looking to invest in your house. All right, let's say you got tax money coming back, and this is the last example I'm going to give you, and you want to not have a car payment, like you're not using it for a down payment, but you're thinking, okay, what am I going to do with this money? Let's talk about extending the life of the current car that you own. So vehicle repairs are going to be a major thing that you could use those tax dollars for to invest in yourself so that that car will last you longer and you won't have to go out and buy another car. So if it's time to do a timing belt, tires, brakes, oil changes, major service, you can use that money to pay cash and get those repairs done and extend the life of that car. All right, I wanted to bring you those tips today. You know, I know I'm a salesperson. I'm in the market to sell cars. Once again, if you really want to use your tax dollars to buy a car and you want to talk to me, the information will be in the box below. However, I would advise you to look at other ways that you can use that money and extend the life of your current car or put it into something that's going to bring you money back. Thank you for watching today. Please like, share, and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe. My name is Ronnie Haskins.